Okay, so Jetstar has something that not every airline has ever. So we checked in 3 luggages and we chose 80 kilograms between Seb and I. And you basically, your luggage can be overweight, but you already paid for 80 kilograms and then you just print it out and send it. I mean, it took us 2 minutes and we are done. First stop, rented a car from 6th, but there's so many rentals, it's so easy. There's one baggage claim belt and you can rent a car right next to it. So got it from 6th, got it for a couple of days until Sunday. Here's a little baby, little Mercedes. Ah! Something hit me in the face. What's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Right now it's 10 Tasmania. What are we doing in Tasmania? How did we end up here? All these questions. We don't know because we decided yesterday that we're coming here. But I'll take you on this crazy journey, and if you're looking to go to Tasmania, I'm gonna provide the best tips and document the best places here. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's go!
And we still ISO to the end. Still the same ones.
It's not Seb's best day for driving. He's struggling a little today. Going back out. Let's go. Wow. The view.
You already know. On
Yeah, to Trinity, you don't know. Let's get
we
it.
still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Shit. Badman Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag.
We're at Kunai. Back in the back, you can see the rain catching up with us.
It's just falling.
So Tasmania is actually known for their apples. So we are here trying to the area.
우회전 taking a right to Jonathan 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 발투는 사람
Tasmanian apples.
그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정
Guys, so we went to the grocery store and got snacks for our hike tomorrow. I'm so excited for this because it's gonna be beautiful. But wanted to show you the snacks. We went to Woolworth and we got these little snackies. Just a little bit. Some nut mix, this chips, pistachios, protein, yogurt, water, electrolytes, apple juice because my blood sugar levels go down quick, dried mango. This is for now. Some olives. This big ass chocolate because it was in a deal. Bananas. And Seb really wanted this classic barbecue chips. So here we are. And I'm making like doshirak. Like the last time I ate it was when I was 18 in New York. So I'm boiling it now. So we're gonna eat and I'll see you at breakfast. Bye. Good night. Breakfast time. Seb's put on the spot. What are we doing today?
Hiking missions.
Yeah, but where?
Go to Wineglass Bay and do the Wineglass hike.
Nice. Wineglass Bay hike.
Oh, you know what I mean.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ay, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ay, type of love I can't hide. Ay, maybe wanna blow your line. Ay, you don't finish.
So we're starting our walk. You can choose what you want. Seb's ready with his backpack. 5 minutes. 10 minutes in. 20 minutes. Guys, we saw the lookout and now we're heading down to the beach. It takes a minute, 2.5 hours. So it's just going downhill. Right there. It's probably freezing.
Yeah, I can make
So, Sony here took a dip the Tasmanian way. You have to run in real fast. Look at them taking a picture very quick with the seaweed. And then Seb didn't go in, but now we're warming up because it's so cold. By the way, he was taking pictures of the seaweed. So coming down was easy, but up, I think it's even more. 300 steps easy. So if you know you can't do Stairmaster, it's gonna be difficult. So we left, update, because every kitchen closes at 3 here. Like, I don't get it. Australians love to eat so early, everything. Their whole day schedule is so early. Like, everyone has breakfast at 8, then they eat at 12, and then they have dinner at 5, and they're done. But it's currently 3. Currently 3, and we found one place that looks good that is open another hour, so we're headed there.
so tired.
We are here. It's amazing. Excuse me. Sound. I just ate this biggest mussel I've ever seen. Look at this shell. The aftermath. It looks like a lot, but it's actually a lot still. So we just moved into our house for the weekend. And we have a kitchen here, you can cook. So this is cool. Grazing menu. And then they give us this bag. Let's open. Whoa, look at this. Loaf of bread. Gluten-free muesli. Natural muesli. Jams. Big jams. Dave, you have to say what you say. You have to show it.
The box eggs.
Eggs.
We'll just cut in the middle.
Orange marmalade.
And orange marmalade.
Loaf of bread.
I wish we would have taken the peanut butter.
Babe, let's go to buy it.
Hey, I got it on me right now.
I don't know how we ended up here, but we're at this pride rave.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blow my top off. Now 6.
Good Good morning. So we are back in Sydney. I know it's been a wild one, but we actually did go to Tasmania and it was just not for us, and I don't think we were like prepared for that. We had different expectations and different imagination. So we left in 2 days. But yeah, we're in Sydney. We managed to get an early flight back home, and today is a really great day. And I have something in my eye still. And we're actually going to explore this beautiful beach that is said to be the most beautiful beach in Sydney. It's an hour drive, but we're gonna go have breakfast and I'll take you with me. So got a Tesla to try out, and we were like, I was always like, yeah, Teslas are like fun, and if you have it, cool, but I'm not gonna get it. And now we're like, we love it. Everything is so convenient and nice. We love Tesla.
I like parts of it. I don't love it.
Yeah, parts of it. Like, for example, the phone's charging right here, and we don't have this in our car.
In S-Class, we had it.
No, I never used it. But also when you're like going too close to something, it tells you, what did it say? Centimeters, how close you are to that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, enjoying this for now, for this couple days. Guys, today's like the first day that's actually so hot. 35 degrees Celsius. Don't know Fahrenheit, so figure it out, Americans, because y'all have it different ways. But we don't have an umbrella, so we're just gonna toast today. Honestly, babe, it's like a 10 out of 10, right? 10 out of 10. We got this as a tip from our friends, and if you want to go there, it's amazing. Come like at 12 for lunch, and yeah, it's really hot right now, but 10 out of 10. What's up? So, we saw this amazing store, and we got a couple things to try. Good foods in Sydney. So here we got coffee bean. It's okay. Next, what was this? Oh no, that's yours, the ginger one. Seb's review. No, that's a no. It's like dark chocolate with ginger inside. Nope. It's FYI, that was not my choice. It was Sebastian. Next up, we got a milk covered strawberry. Wait, well, tastes like cereal. Music time. So here we have a chocolate covered hazelnut. Nice, huh? But if you're looking for healthy snacks, the place for you. What's up, y'all? So I just got ready because we don't know where we're going yet, but we really want to go to the beach or rent a boat. Worked out this morning, just wanted to get it done because the gym was so dark and not motivating, and then had breakfast, same place, so didn't want to show you the same thing again. But yeah, let's go outside because the weather's amazing, and let's see what we do today. Off to one of the most recommended coffee places, and it's like leading us through these alleyways. And here it is.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me.
I spit. It'll be fine.
Single O, Oasis, agave, oat milk, cold brew. 10 out of 10. You know, guys, the only reason that I might have not liked to live in Australia is because everything is closed. I mean, not everything, but like, what would you say, 90%, babe? Like 90% is closed on the weekends and on Mondays and Tuesdays. So right now we wanted to go to the gallery that I wrote in my notes. It's at the White Rabbit Gallery and it opens on Wednesday. I don't get it. Who does this? It's so random too, like middle of the week. That's just the worst con of Australia, I guess. Just the timings. McKell Park, Darling Point. Look at this tree.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
Dinner served.
My pescatarian diet is going well, even though I really wanted the chicken or the burger. I got fillet fish, haven't had this in like 50 years. So.
Did they find out if there's fish in there now?
Oh, don't tell me.
It's a myth, right?
We're waiting for a boat guy. So, Seb is
So, just getting started here.
getting started.
Expectations, reality.
Hopefully it's all good. Looks good on the camera. So we rented out a boat last minute. Was a bit hard to get, but also we didn't want a skipper. We wanted our own boat. So there's not many boats that, you know, you could drive without a license. This technically is like such a big engine that you would probably need a license, but I feel like Seb said there's like a gray zone, and if anything, I don't know, we'll see. But we got this small little one and it's so cute, so we're gonna enjoy 4 hours on the boat. How much did you pay?
$350.
350 Australian dollars for 4 hours for a nice boat. He found a good place. Sydney Opera House from the water.
550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
So we just
Oh my goodness.
I hurt myself. Whoa, I hurt myself so bad. Shots. Look, I have a scratch now here. I was gonna film you, but we anchored and we're at this little bay. But look at the view. Look at the view. Shatsi, your abs are the view.
Yeah.
Who wants Seb to jump? Me!
That's right here.
He's going! He's going! Jump! Show us how you do it. Go, baby! Gotta do it the Russian way.
What's the Tasmanian way?
And the Russian way.
This leather will
Looks really good.
cold.
Come on, Shatsi.
Yeah.
I'll be right after you. Babe. Recording. YouTube people are waiting.
Let's see.
No. Okay, releasing the boy. Going into the Crown. Trying out Amari at the Crown. This for sure.
타고 난 날아올라 yeah 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거였어 밤바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면
Chicken.
풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라.
So we just got back from the restaurant Amare. Honestly, it is rated 3.6 on Google and we both do not agree. It was so good. I never rate on Google. I think I have like 5 ratings. I put a rating down and I said absolutely amazing experience from the beginning to the end. The staff, the food, the pesto pasta. Amazing. Don't know why this place has such a low rating. People are haters. It was great. Everyone's complaining about how salty the dishes are and how small the portions are. Like they've never had small portions. Like I think it's great. I think it's mostly like people who are used to having big portions, like especially in America when they serve you so much. But it was just so healthy and nice and the pasta is like exactly how much you need. And there was nothing bad to say. So if you are in Sydney, I absolutely recommend this place and the Crown looks amazing. There's just so many restaurants and it's a beautiful building. So good night from here, guys. Tomorrow we're flying, so I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It's our last day in Sydney.
Going home.
Can you believe it?
I can't believe it.
We cut our trip short and today we're leaving and I can't believe it. So we're having breakfast and let's go.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Aslan, tasting. I'd say 5.8. Not my thing. Seb has a different opinion. Seb, what's the rating?
5.8.
So guys, we're all packed and ready to go. Sydney, Australia, you've been amazing to us. Thank you for watching the YouTube video. We love you. See you in Berlin. Bye.
Kind of fresh cut sushi on a platter, brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy tryna take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view.
So guys, it's 9:10 p.m. Just landed in Hong Kong. Didn't sleep out, but waiting for our next flight. Guys, when I'm the only woman in the first class flight, they even said it at the door. So funny. All men. So I just changed. Time to sleep. Good night. So we made it after how many hours of travel? Like 30 hours. We're back to the beautiful and cold Germany. Yay! But yeah. exciting thing is picking up Richie. But see you guys next time on our next travels in a week.
2 days.
Yeah, we're leaving.
Got the acting on my lit shit.